get everything. I don't have proper curler, even though I have hand dryer and all of that. So I have to think of the next available thing to do. So I always use the available tools or the available things that I'm having to create magic. So welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. If you are always here, thank you for always showing up for me. In today's episode, we are going to do a cat crease eyeshadow. A cat crease with eyeshadow. If you don't know how to do a simple cat crease, I bet you this video is for you. If you are planning to stop this viewing or cut this viewing very short, please don't, because at the end of the day you will know how to do your simple cat crease. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do well and subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my new uploads. Let's get into it. First things first, you must first of all clean your face. Clean your face. Your face must be clean before you start your makeup. It's something you should not forget. You know me, I always draw my eyebrow first, and that is not up for a debate. That is just me. That has been my style. So let's draw my eyebrow. My pencil is well sharpened as usual. So let's brush up our natural eyebrow. It is time for me to conceal my eyebrows. My eyebrows, they have been drawn beautifully. So I'm done with my eyebrow now. The next thing I'll do is my eyeshadow, and it's the major focus for this particular video because I'm going to do a cat crease, like I said earlier on, a cat crease eyeshadow. So let's get into that. But before that, I'll have to prime my eyelid very well before proceeding with the eyeshadow. After that, I'll go through the eyelid again with eyeshadow palette. I could just pick any shade from it so that the place will not be oily like that. It will be matte before we proceed with our eyeshadow. So this is how I achieve my own cat crease. So I'm going to use a tape. I'm going to use this. Cut it and apply it here. Like this. So we're moving on to the second side. As my primer, my eyeshadow primer to cut the crease. So let's go. You can see how it is looking already. Doing this for oneself is not easy. Oh. I hope you guys can see how it is looking. So I'm now going to pick the shadow color that I want to apply on my cat crease. So matte yellow eyeshadow. Don't just get up and start doing your setting powder. I keep saying this in my videos. Make sure you use your powder palette over these places before you use your setting powder. Now I can go through it with my setting powder. I'm done with my false lashes now. The next thing I'll do is to do my lipstick. So first of all, I'm sure by now you know that you don't just get up and start applying your lipstick. You need to line your lips. So let's get into that. So now let's do our lipstick. Smack your lip. So let's do our face powder. Dab into your skin. Dab. Don't drag. So now let's use our finishing spray. Now let's do our bronzer. Okay, so I don't know anybody who they improvise more than me. I love to improvise because I don't have money to get everything. I don't have proper curler, even though I have hand dryer and all of that. So I have to think of the next available thing to do. So I always use the things that I'm having, the available tools or the available things that I'm having to create magic. So because I just want a curly kind of effect, I want my hair to be a bit curly, I have to use rollers to roll it down yesterday evening. So I'm coming to remove it so that you guys can see how this works. You can see that. You can see that. So at the end of the day, this is how I am looking. I hope you pick one or two things out of how you would do your cat crease. It is that simple. When you are doing it on other people, it's easier, but then if you are doing it the cat crease on yourself, you have to identify a way to go about it, and this is one of the ways I find very, very easy. It is just that easy, but you need to put in constant practice. Like myself, some weeks ago I couldn't even do this, but I keep trying on my own and at least I get it right. Yes, so keep practicing. This makeup thing is about practicing, so just keep practicing. I hope the video was educative, fun, and interesting. I hope you pick one or two things out of it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on my new uploads. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me from the beginning of the journey. If you are new here, know that I love you so much and you are most welcome. See you all in my next upload, and subscribe, share. Please don't forget to leave your comments, Thank you all, and you can actually leave what you want me to do in my next video, and I'll do just that. See you all in my next upload. Until then, bye.